So I'm doing an inspection of the top roof up here, and there's a couple spots that need some repair. For some reason this crack has broke. It still feels solid, but this needs to be Gaco'd. This was the worst spot, and it looked like something had chewed right here, but regardless, this needs to be Gaco taped. And I noticed two other spots. A little spot over here which had a crack. So I need to do a good inspection. I might even have to replace some wood in one spot. So I guess it's just very important to do an inspection. Here's a spot that I don't know if it's all the way through, but that needs some Gaco tape on it. Try to catch these things before they get worse. Oh, here's a little crack too. Okay, so I'm gonna get back inspecting. So I'm just brushing it down good and then Gaco taping it like that. And then I'll inspect it in a couple days and see if we got everything. Okay, stay vigilant on this. I also probably do need to do some repair on that chimney over there. I've done some repair on all of them now, but I've never done anything on this end here. And I think I need to come up here with something and kind of clean this up and do a little repair here. I did do some down there before, and that still looks good on the lower part, but there's some in there, probably the back side too. Always got to keep an eye on these things. Okay, oh, and over there is where the tree hit the roof when it fell, so I need to get up there with the lift.